Hey everybody, welcome back to the Crafty Bee Budgeting channel. I'm back home still. I haven't been to the warehouse to do any work in a while. It is hot down there, but Tuesday it's supposed to get to a low of 68 and a high of like 96. So I will be there early in the morning. I have two projects to complete. An OU NFL apron and Dallas Cowboy tote. So I'll go down to the warehouse on Tuesday to complete those. But I have been doing some stuff around the house. If y'all didn't see my last video, this is the wine bottle craft that I completed. I turned this into this. Usually I glitter them up and add all kinds of floral and decor on top of the bottles, but I'm not very fancy at the house. All my goodies are down at the warehouse. All my other florals and glitter and glues and all that good stuff. I do have some floral here, but I was like, I'm going to keep it simple. I had wanted to make me some earrings. So I ordered some earring, little pieces and the little hooks and the little clasp off of Alibaba and eBay. Yeah. So I was going and I bought this at Hobby Lobby. So I'm going to try to make me a pair of earrings today. And also, I got these. These are canvas bags. I got these for like $1.99 for this one at Hobby Lobby. And I got this one for, I think, 99 cents at Hobby Lobby. Now, this was $1.99. And this one's $2.99 at Hobby Lobby. I'm going to do some embroidery projects with this. My sewing machine is an embroidery sewing machine. When I first got it, I started embroidering on it first, but since I moved to the warehouse, I've just been doing sewing, scrunchies and tote bags and purses and all that. But I wanted to do this one for my sister in like a Mickey Minnie Mouse pattern. I had a Mickey Minnie embroidery that she loved, and I was going to put it on one of these totes for her. She's planning to go to Disney World in November. Also, an update, I had got this about a month or two ago. This is a 33 gel glitter pen set. And I had got this book off of eBay. Your girl don't mess with Amazon. It's probably backwards, and I completed the first one here. Sorry about the lighting, y'all. I'm at my dining room table. I completed this one. This is the second one I completed. And this is the third one that I'm working on. So when I get to the warehouse, I have another setup, one of the clamps and then the overhead camera. I'll be able to show y'all better. But when I'm sitting around the house bored to tears, this is what I'm doing. And in case y'all missed it on the last video, I am back in my boots. I sprained my ankles about 2 weeks ago again. Oh my goodness. So in my boot again, limping around, bored to tears. So I'm just trying to keep busy, but I so wish it would hurry up and cool down so I can go back to the warehouse and get her done. I got a bunch of different stuff that I want to do. Some holiday stuff, some fall stuff. But when I'm home, this is what I'm doing. Or I might start, doing more wine bottle crafts. I got plenty of yarn, different colors. And my neighbor brought me a 6-pack of empty wine bottles and a couple of beer bottles. Thank you, Barbara. And this right here, I got this at Hobby Lobby for like $5.49 to help make some jewelry. I've never made jewelry. When I was going down the aisle, I had no idea what to get. One of the people who were also on the aisle, I was like, excuse me, do you know how this works? She was like, nope, I don't know anything about it. Like crap. But I am going to make me some earrings. So what I'm thinking, basically, these two little ones here are the first pair to come out, matching pair to come out. Oh, these are tiny, but I'm trying to get it so y'all can see them. That's better. In front of my dark shirt. So I'm going to kill that annoying fly as soon as he stops. But until then, I'm gonna try to ignore him. So these here, if any jewelry makers are out there watching this and I'm messing this up, I already know I don't know how to make jewelry. I didn't watch a video or anything. I'm just winging it. Because I was basically just looking at the earrings I got. This is like the last pair of the earrings I own in the world that I actually wear. The other ones are a little too fancy for my yoga pants and my t-shirts. Y'all see how fancy I am. But I got two of these. And how's this? Oh, and I'm supposed to get one of these little circle things. Let's see how this looks, because I need me a new pair of earrings. These I bought like last year or year before at Trade Days up in Bowie. And I typically, this one almost fell down the sink yesterday, and I was like, no, I don't have any more. So, don't know if I'm doing this right, but I think I gotta open this up and put that in there. So, oop. Okay, I don't know if I need two of these or not. We're gonna try this out. This thing is so freaking tiny. Okay, we're gonna try to work it like this. Not quite sure how this works, but I think this is how you do it. Or not. How is this? Okay, this one's different. Y'all might need to watch a video or a tutorial on how to do jewelry. Maybe I need to put two of these on this little hook thingy. Okay. This isn't going so well. So if I put this on here and close this one, and then I add another one. Okay. I have a new appreciation for jewelry, people. Get down there. Okay. Need a hammer. Okay. This isn't going so hot, y'all. I'm gonna watch a tutorial and I'm going to, oh, I got it. Ha. I got it. I don't need no stinking tutorial. Okay. And where is this little thing right here? Oh, right here. That's one. Let me. Like that. Okay, that's one. Huh, good thing I'm dark. And I'm gonna do another one just like that one. And hopefully it turns out good. So all I do is, where's the other? There. I'm not sure if I need two of these or not. That's one. That's two. Huh. So, my latest creations. Let's see how this goes. Ouch. Y'all bear with me. Ha. And I have the little studs right here, but just gonna do a little close up. I can't see this one that good. Not too bad, y'all. Ha, that wasn't too bad once I sorted it out. But like I said, I'll be back at the warehouse Tuesday morning. I got some projects and I'm gonna take y'all along with me. Have a apron, a tote bag, and I might make a couple of more pair of earrings before it gets too hot. So that's all I got for y'all today. Sorry about the setup. When it cools down, I will be back in the warehouse, and I may start trying to get in early in the mornings because I miss my setup that I have down there versus using my cell phone, which is what I'm using now. So if y'all have any comments or questions, drop them below. Please subscribe, turn on that notification bell. I know, shameless plug, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.